Hi there, Michael from Rokform here. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing and overview of our magnetic suction phone mount holder. Let's unbox our magnetic suction phone mount holder. So when we'll open it up, we've got all the features and information about this. This is a great mount because it works with all of our Rokform cases as well as any MagSafe case. We'll get into that with some of the details here in a second. So like our other suction mount, it includes the same suction mount base as well as the different adjustability. So right now I'm gonna loosen one of those knobs so we can bring the arm up a little bit. And then when we find somewhere we want to mount it, we can press it down. The suction cup will bite a little bit, but we'll need to turn that lock really to get it secure right there, just like that. Like the other suction mount with RokLock, this magnetic suction phone mount holder has 210 degrees of tilt, so we can tilt it forward, backward, to any angle that you want. And then once we find one that we like, we'll lock that knob down. But then we can also adjust this knob that controls the tilt of the head. And so we'll find a spot for that. And then additionally, the MagSafe head here, it's got dual magnets in it and it's got a ball joint so you can pivot it to any angle that you want. So like I mentioned, this works with all MagSafe cases. So I've got my rugged case here, and what we can do, we can just slap it on there like that. It'll hold very secure. So this is a great mount if you want to put it in your car, workshop, even in your office if you want to put it like on the window somewhere to keep your phone visible but hands-free. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us online or over the phone and visit us at our showroom in Irvine.